is Abraham Odgu. I'm the managing director of HD Visual Direct International in Eritrea.
Okay, so what brings you to the conference?
Well, though our company is involved in energy and alternative energy, as you know, mining also is somehow it's energy. Having said that, all mining companies or any companies would not run without energy. So we do have cross interest with the conference. At the same time, it is an opportunity that nobody should miss if it's permitted.
Okay, so tell me what issues are being raised at
I think there is a lot of mine issues. Mostly it's geological studies in terms of what was done over the last few years. The mining companies who are achieved and going forward, the mining companies who have just initially started, and also give you a very scope picture of what to come as far as from here to 2023 and so on and beyond. But I think the most important aspect is there was quite a few Australian experts who presented something new to us, because as you know, Eritrea is new to mining, unlike most of the African countries or developing countries like Australia, Canada, and the United States, and all the other, even the Asian countries. Having said that, one of the most important things that attracted me here today is they was putting the different data from which is kept by international data as far as the ratio of corruption, the ratio of the hardship, or in terms of the mining codes from country to country. Particularly, there was they present the Arabic Nubian, which is Shield, and they put between us, Egypt, Saudi Arabia, and Sudan, and they put it. It shows you the difficulties that we've been, despite the difficulties that we've been through over the last few years. Our the future is very bright as far as Eritrea's mining opportunity and mining investment. The second aspect which really attracted me and most of the other conference attendants was there was an Australian expert who presented the statistics, the data from all over the world. And when it comes to mining codes, it puts Eritrea right on the top. Also, when it comes to corruption, as far as the international statistics though, it puts Eritrea 150. He's from New Zealand and Australia. He puts Eritrea, he practically said this is ridiculous. It shouldn't be, because we are here, we know what we're doing. There is no systematic corruption. Pretty much saying it's corruptionless. So it should be right up there, under one. It brings a lot of the hidden agenda. He brought forward for the rest of the world to see, and for all the, of course, the investors, the foreigners, the mining companies. I think that was, I found it very, very attractive. I mean, there are a lot of mining data that might be, but having said that, I think these are the things that really attract me.
Mr.